Stop sending boring emails and start sending property listings that your clients will actually see right to their phones. First, navigate to the lead you want to send a listing to. Within Follow Up Boss, you'll find their contact information and communication history right here. See this text message box? That's your launchpad. You can craft a personalized message to accompany the listing, make it friendly and engaging, perhaps highlighting key features of the property. Now, grab the property listing link from your MLS or website. It's super important that the link is mobile friendly so your clients can easily view it on their phones. Paste the link into the text message box, double check your message, and then hit send. Follow Up Boss tracks all your text message conversations, so you'll know instantly when your client responds, allowing you to keep the conversation flowing and close more deals. You can even do this on the go. The Follow Up Boss mobile app gives you the same texting capabilities, so you can send listings and respond to leads no matter where you are. Texting listings is a game changer for real estate agents. It's faster, more convenient, and leads to higher engagement. So, ditch the old ways and start leveraging the power of text messaging within Follow Up Boss. Your clients will thank you for it, and your business will boom.